Hello everybody. So today is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos, but I'm just going to take you through a new shade house that we created. I bought a greenhouse a couple days / maybe weeks ago by now, and I posted a short about it, and it didn't really work out as great as I was hoping that it would. So what we did was made a little area, which I've had already, for my blooming orchids, which I could sit here on my patio and enjoy. But my collection was growing, and so what I needed to do was make some more space. And out here in my yard really just wasn't enough. I have a few in the trees. But just with the sun and the rain and everything else, I kind of wanted something else. So this side of the yard is kind of for my boyfriend who does bonsais. So he's Tree Addict on YouTube. And then I kind of have my orchids, but since we bought this new shade house, I will show you. We have created this little area over here, which has become my new she shed, which I am starting to really love. And as you can see, this is actually really just a shade pavilion that I got from Academy Sports. It was $100, and then I went on Amazon and I bought a few shade cloths, which I bought some bungee cords also. So I bungeed them, and that one's kind of up, so let me show you one that's down. So this back one is down all the way. I have it in 3 spots tied to this trellis, which is tied to the leg. And really right now all I have out here is my non-blooming orchids, quote unquote. I have a couple that are actually blooming. Like this one was my father-in-law's, Captain Tim. His is blooming. And then I've got this one, which just started blooming. I don't have an ID, so I don't have a name on that one. And then this is a orchid, Phalaenopsis orchid, that was a kiki off of another plant that I got. So I mounted it to this piece of wood, and this is the first time that it is blooming. So I'm very excited about that. I think my plants so far are really liking this area. I've got some new growth on some of my newer orchids, some new leaves coming out. So very exciting. I think they're liking it. I'm keeping it watered and just kind of going from there. So I've got some new growth there. Got a little new growth there. Waiting for this guy to open still. And then this one just opened recently since I've had it out here. And several more to come. So kind of exciting. And then we did still keep the greenhouse. I'm working on putting some windows in it. I did cut some windows. I bought some screen at the local hardware store and some duct tape, and so I've kind of made some windows because it's just too hot here in Florida to have a greenhouse like this. So I created some windows to kind of help with the airflow. And I don't know, I don't have anything in there right now, so we'll just have to see how it goes over the summer and what works in there and what doesn't. And it's just going to be a little bit of an experiment. So, but besides that, I've got my little she shed, and I'm about as happy as a clam. Got a little bench out here to sit so I can enjoy my flowers. Got a nice breeze. Got a rain barrel and a bucket to water my plants, and I'm all set. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.